welcome to Howie's Hot Rods. Today we're going to try and fix the noise coming from my fuel system on my 57 Bel Air. I purchased a Holley EFI system, and then I also bought the in-tank fuel system from Holley as well. I bought this bypass filter system so that I would only have to run one fuel line to the motor, which is really good, but for some reason this unit here is transferring the noise from the fuel pump to the inside of the car. I will go ahead and turn the key on for you, and you can see and hear the noise that it makes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and loosen this up, and I'm going to take it clear loose so that it's not connected to this anymore, and then we'll do it again and see if we can get it to where it won't make a bunch of noise. And if it does, I'm gonna have to figure something out better for this. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key, see what we got. Yeah, so you hear that noise? Do it one more time, you can hear it. Okay, that's just unacceptable. I don't want to listen to that. The whole point that I bought the fuel system that I did was to put the pump in the tank so it'd be like a late model car and be quiet. But obviously right there, I should have just ran an external pump, because that's about how they run anyway. They make the same kind of noise. But anyway, we're going to disconnect that, pull it away from the mount, and then we'll turn the key on again and see what happens. Okay, so here we are. Let's go ahead and see if we can take this loose. Right. Touching anything right there. Let's go ahead and try it again and see what happens. Okay, what I've done here is I had hose clamps holding it on right here on this mount, and I decided to take the hose clamps off and put zip ties. I think that the hose clamps, metal to metal, was causing the harmonics to go through this thing into the body of the car. So we'll see what happens here pretty quick. I think this is probably going to be a lot better deal. Anyway, go up here, turn the key on and see what happens. Let's see. Oh, that's a lot better. A little bit of noise, but it's not near as bad as what it's been. I think I'm just gonna have to live with that. Definitely a lot better than it was. I still like that fuel system the way it is. It's just a lot better. I don't have to run two lines clear up to the engine and back. It's just more money. And it's a lot cleaner setup. Hey, if you liked today's video, push the like button over there and hit the subscribe button while you're at it. I'm going to try and bring you guys as much content as I could possibly bring you. And it's all about America and American cars and making them fast as hell. And that's what I'm going to try to do for you and crazy stuff like that. Thanks again, and peace out.